Leo, help me. I think my schedule is trying to destroy me.
What happened this time?
I have 3 assignments, a quiz, and a group project, and somehow I did none of them.
Let me guess. Procrastination?
Procrastination, distraction, snack breaks, more distraction, basically chaos.
Yeah, that sounds like your personal brand.
Hey, I'm trying to change, okay? I just suck at time management.
Not true. You just need a system. What do you usually do first when you have a lot of work?
Panic.
Besides that.
More panic.
Okay. Serious moment. Have you tried planning your tasks the night before?
I tried once, but then I woke up and ignored the plan.
That's because you made the plan too scary or too perfect. Time management shouldn't feel like prison.
That's actually true. My schedule looked like a robot made it.
Exactly. Make it realistic. For example, I use the 2-hour block rule.
What's that?
I divide my afternoon into 2-hour blocks. Study 1 hour, break for 15 minutes, then study the rest. Simple.
That sounds surprisingly doable.
You can also try the top 3 priorities method. Just write 3 things you must finish today. Not 10, not 20, just 3.
3 things I can actually finish. That sounds so much better than my 20-item to-do list.
Yeah, your to-do lists are scary. They look like mini horror movies.
Okay, wow. But also fair.
You know what else helps? Put your phone far away, like in another galaxy.
Leo, my phone is my emotional support device.
Your phone is your distraction device.
Fine. Maybe I'll hide it under my pillow or something.
That's not hiding it. You'll still hear notifications calling your name.
True. They whisper, Sarah, TikTok, just 5 minutes.
Exactly. That's why I use airplane mode when I study.
Okay. I'll try that today. What about long-term stuff? I always forget deadlines.
Use one calendar. Just one. Not 5 apps, not 3 notebooks, one place for everything.
Wow. That explains why my deadlines look like random surprises.
Yeah, they shouldn't be jump scares.
You're right. So, small steps, top 3 priorities, 2-hour blocks, 1 calendar, and phone exile.
Perfect summary. And remember, time management isn't about being busy. It's about being clear.
I like that. And honestly, talking about it makes everything feel less stressful.
Good. And hey, if you want, we can study together for an hour. I'll keep you accountable.
You're a lifesaver. Okay, let's do it. But after this, I'm buying you snacks.
Deal. Now, let's defeat your schedule one task at a time.